Welcome friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a modern login page. As you can see on the screen, this page we are going to make. We have used some of the coloring scheme, like we have used HTML to create this page. Then we will be using CSS to style the page, and we will be using some of the JavaScript to make it functional. In the functional sense, what you want to make it, like first of all, this is the entry page, and the person can create an account here by filling the name, email and password, or if he has an account he can sign in with the help of his email and password, and he can click on sign in. So all these things we will be making, however we will not be using this email password as of now. We will be just making this page as of now. So the video will basically be in uh, 2 or 3 parts. First thing will be making the, I have just already given you the introduction of this page, how we will be going to make it. And this we will be seeing HTML documentation, and then after that we like this, here we have used this heading, then we have used some of the icons here, then after input fields of email and passwords, forget password and sign in, this button. Similarly here the heading, paragraph and a sign up page, and similar thing we have just used here. And for sign up it will be name, email and password, and then signing up thing. So let's get started with the HTML. Let's go to the HTML page now. Okay, then now we have come in our VS Code. So I have just made a folder jet modern login page. In this now I'm making a new file, index.html. So now we are going to first make the structure of the project. Okay, how the body of the project will look like. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the basic HTML boiler code. Now this is the title of the page. What is the title of the page? As you can see here, this is called the title of the page. Right now we have written here model login page, so we'll just write it modern login page. Okay, so this is the title of this page. One more thing we will be doing, we will be using some of the fonts also in this, and we will be using the CSS style. So even now we can just make the files. Okay, so there are 2 files that we are going to use, that will be script.css, sorry, styles.css, and another thing will be for the scripting, that is JavaScript. Okay, so we will be using script.js. However, right now we are not making it, we are just making the files, we are not using it as of now, but in the index.html we will have to use it. So in the head tag, okay, at last we have to put the link to the styles tab. Okay, so how we are going to make it, it is link equal to style sheet, and this is the link that we are giving, it will be style.css. Okay, and the similar way the script tag comes at the last of the body. Okay, before the body tag ends we'll be just putting the script tag here, it will be under script. Script source, the file is script.js, and with this we'll be hitting the script file also. Now whatever we have to do, we have to do in this body tag. Okay, so let's start making it the body tag now. So first, as we have seen here, there is a container we have used. Okay, so this is the container that we are going to make. Then there is another container we will be having here for this welcome back and create account page. So let's make it container. It will be a div. We will be giving it a class of say container, then id for uniquely identifying this div. We are just making it. Okay, so this is the div we have made. One more div will be there. This will be a form container. Okay, okay, we have just did a mistake. Okay, it's form container we have it. And again we'll be using it for sign up also. So sign up. Okay, as I am already telling you that there will be a form we are going to use, because this will be a form that will be submitted. Okay, so we are using a form tag. Here we have h1, that is the heading of the page, that is create account. So after this we will be having again a div for social icons. You can see here we have used some of the social icons. Okay, we have to use it as it looks good. So we are using div for social icons. So we are just naming it social icons. Now we have to use some of the icons here. Okay, for that we can use the icons. So here we'll be using font awesome. Okay, let's search for font awesome CDN. Okay, first, so here font, these are the CDN for the font awesome. I am just taking it and using it on my file. Yes, here we can use it. Okay, now I can use the icons here. How we are going to use the icons? I will just show the font awesome site here. We have to just search the icons and put them in use. I can search for the icons, like if I want to use Facebook, like this icon we can now use directly. Okay, so click on this and this will open, and we can copy this code. Now I can use it here. Just paste it. I have just saved this thing. You can just see how the things are coming out. Okay, in this preview tab, like this has come. If this was not there, this font icon was not there, Facebook icon was not there, and when we have used this, Facebook icon has come. Okay, so we can use this one. So similarly we'll be using other icons also. As you can see in our modern login page, there is a Google, Facebook, GitHub and LinkedIn page. So I'm just going to make it now. I'll just make it an anchor tag also. Right now I'm not giving any link to it. Class, I'm just naming it icons. And class I have already given. This is the link. After I will just paste it. So first there we have used Google font. Okay, Google icon. So I'm just making it first Google one. So there is a plus G also, that's why I have written it here. Similarly other icons I will be just making it, I'll just copy it. things we are going to make already. In each and every icon, the href, that is the link we have used, is the dummy link, and all the class are icon, so that we can change the structure of all these things all together. Another icon we are using, that is of the, you can say, Facebook, so I'm just making it Facebook also. Then another thing is GitHub. We can use G for it. No, G will not be good for it. Okay, GitHub. Then LinkedIn also. Okay, so these four icons are now added. Okay, Google, Facebook, GitHub, and LinkedIn. Okay, all the four have come now. Okay, so let's move forward. This is completed now, the link page. Now this div has already, div is already over. After this, what is there on the page? Or use your email for register. This is a span, so we are going to make it a span here, which will say, or use your email for registration. Okay, so this span is also completed. Now we will see what else is there. There are three input fields. One is text, second one is email, and the third one is password. Then we have used button. Okay, so let's make it now. And these all are inside a form. Okay, inside the form, these all are things. All the things are there. So let's make it input type. First one was text. And okay, this is the text, and we can use the placeholder also here. Placeholder means what is written on this input field. Name is written to identify what is to be written. Okay, we can put a label here and then input, and this too we can do with the help of placeholder only. We can identify the what is to be written on the input field. So it will be a placeholder, and the placeholder will be writing name. We'll be closing this. This will be a self-closing tag. Okay, this input is completed. Similarly, we have to make two more. But the thing is, the difference is here we are going to use password. Password, it's email first now, and the placeholder will be again email. You can use capital E. Even in place of here text, we can use password type, and it will also be password. This P is capital here. Okay, and after that we have to put a button so that the form is submitted. Button tag, it will say sign up. Sign up button. Okay, then the form is completed and the div is closed. Now we will have to make one another div for sign in also. Whatever we have made right now, almost similar we will be making for sign in also. So we can copy all these things here. The container will be one from here up to here. We have to just copy it, just some spacing, and this is done. A little bit difference will be there, like this will be from for sign up here it will be sign in. For create account, in place of create account, we have to just write sign in. Then social icon is okay, all the social icons are good to go. Here we have to use, like there's the mistake in the last line also, the registration. Okay, so this for registration. Now there will be a login for with the help of email and password. So we will be writing it here, or use your password. We are using email and password. Okay, so there will be only two fields. Now this name input field will not be there, only the email and the password will be there. Next thing, email and password is done. Now whenever we will be forgetting the password, we must have a forget password also here. You can see in the page, in the sign in, forget your password and then sign in. This forget your password we are also going to make it, but this is also in between the inside the form. Okay, so we are making it here. An anchor tag, we will be saying a link here, and it will say forget your password. This will be a question mark, and the anchor tag is closed, and then there will be a button we have already made. Okay, so this will be before this button, we will have to cut it, and we have to paste it here. Okay, sign in button is given, form closed, and div is closed. Now the important thing, we have to toggle these two containers. The first container is this one we'll be making, and second container will be this one. We have to toggle between these two. Look, here it is from sign in. Okay, the page is a little bit down, I think. Okay, this is the toggling between the different containers. So we have to make a toggle container. Now after the div is closed, we are going to make it div class toggle container, toggle dash container. There will be again div with class of toggle, then there will be again a div with class name of toggle panel, and we have to toggle left and toggle right. Okay, so right now I am making it toggle left. Here we'll be having a heading which will say welcome back, and there will be a paragraph, you can say, which will say enter your personal details to use. Then there will be a button here which will be hidden as of now. We will be hiding it. ID will be login. We will put sign in here. And then the div will be closed. The similar way we will be making a div for toggle right. You can just copy paste this thing. From toggle left it will be toggle right. changed from welcome back to, you can write anything. I'm just writing hello friend. Then the paragraph will be register with your personal details. Okay. Paragraph will be closed, and the button will be there. Again, the class will be hidden, but right now the ID will be register. Got? Now this is a registration page, and the sign in will change to sign up. Okay. So then the div will be closed. All the divs are closed now, and the script we have used. So this is basically the structure of the this HTML page is almost done. So however, you will be seeing it a little bit not what is expected as of now, but when we will be using CSS, we will be changing it. Look how the things differ. Right now we have not used CSS, so our page is looking like this. Okay, and when we will be using CSS, we will be making it this one. Okay, this is the thing that we have made: create account and all the icons, and these are the input field, then this button, then welcome back, and all these things we have made. These are the things you can say: welcome back into your personal details, sign in. All these things has come here. Okay, and when we click on sign in, the things change, and sign in is here. Link has that icons has come here. This is these are the input fields. Then forget password and sign in, and hello friend and all the personal details are coming here. So this was all about this part of the making of this page. So in the next video we will be seeing how to use CSS, okay, to make this page and beautify it to make look like this page. Okay, so the makeup is required, and we are going to make it up with the help of the CSS and the JavaScript. Now we are going to make it functional. So okay, till then, goodbye, and wait for my next video.